Today we are making slime with Play-Doh and shampoo. This is our shampoo and this is our Play-Doh. So first bring out our Play-Doh. That's our Play-Doh. Then it adds some shampoo on the Play-Doh. And that is it. So that's it. So that's our slime. Super sweet. That's our Play-Doh slime. Play-Doh is perfect for slime.